Namaste, first graders. I don't know what that means. Good job. I know you already got your crayons, pencil, and journal. What are we going to do? It says, watch this teacher video to draw, color, and label how Elliot and Kailash go to school each day. Do you remember which one was Elliot, which one was Kailash? Who was in India? Who was in the United States? Don't worry, I'll help you remember. But let's get started in our journal with partitioning our paper into halves, into 2 fair shares, so that we can show Elliot and Kailash. Here comes my journal. I've got a new clean page. Have you opened up to a clean page yet? I hope so. We always begin our clean page with today's date. Up top, give me a 4 for April, 13 for today, Tuesday, and 2021 for the year. Now that we have the date, like I said, it's time to partition. We're going to go down the middle of our paper so we have 2 fair shares. We need halves. Take your pencil, start at the top, and be fair with your shares. We are equal with Elliot and Kailash. Now that we have our paper partitioned, we need to know, what are we drawing today? What are we illustrating? Here's the labels of the 2 boys' names, Elliot and Kailash. Up at the top of my paper, I'm going to write Elliot. This is the side for Elliot. It's a name, so it needs a capital letter E. Check the screen to spell his name correctly. E-O-E-O-T. Elliot. On this side, we've got Elliot. Underline Elliot. On my other side, my other friend's name is Kailash. It's also a name. It needs a capital letter K in Kailash. Elliot got a capital. Kailash needs one too. On this side, capital letter K, A-I-L-A-S-H. Check those 2 names. It's important to spell people's names correctly, Elliot and Kailash. Now that we've got our paper set up, we've got our dates, we are ready to go see the pictures. Remember what these boys did, how did they get to school, and start our illustration. Here, you've got some photos from the book. On this side, I have Elliot. And Elliot lives in the, where? United States, like us. Where Elliot lives, we have tall buildings. Lots of taxis, buses, and cars are filling the street. Honk, 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 honk. And in one of those buses, there's Elliot. How does he get to school? Is that how you get to school? We're going to show Elliot on this side of our paper. We'll start your tall buildings in the background. Tall, tall city. And the streets, honk, honk, are so full. But one of those vehicles has our friend Elliot. I've got my bus. I'm looking at the screen, doing the best I can, but it's not an art competition. I need you to show me that you know how Elliot gets to school. Stripe, it says school bus. There's windows, and I'm even going to show you Elliot like in the photo. He has that yellow hair and a smile on his face. Hey, Mom. Cars are honking, honking, honking. This street is so full of traffic. Taxis, buses, cars, trucks. Lots of traffic. And those tall buildings. I'll add some more color a little bit later. We still have another boy to illustrate. How does Kailash get to school? He's not in the United States. Where is he? It's down here. India. Kailash is in India. And in India, whoa, how is he getting to school? It's also a bus that says on the side, Sunshine School. But, whoa, what is different about that? It's a bicycle. Go over to your Kailash side and start illustrating that funny little bus. It's got pedals. There's a man having to pedal it up at the front so that all the other kids can sit in the back. There is a little roof in case it rains. And just like Elliot, here's Kailash saying, "Hey, Mom," as he leaves for school. There's other kids too. I can show the other kids. Oh, I need to take my time on my picture for more details. But I'm not drawing tall buildings in the background. What do we see over here in India? There's an elephant. You could show me Kailash on the elephant. There's a donkey. There's a camel. There's some cows. That lady with the baskets. And he said that hot sun. It was so pretty, I remember. I'm going to show the details of the other animals. This one has horns. But not a lot of traffic. Animals, people carrying things, not as many horns honking. Now we've started our pictures, but you can come back here and look at this slide and add more details. You'll need to remember Elliot is in the United States. Kailash is in India. And you also need to write for me about the two boys. I'll help you get started, and then you can go finish on your own. Here we have Elliot, and here we have Kailash. They're both going to school, same, but they're getting there a little different. You'll write for me a sentence about each boy and how they go to school. Elliot. Where is Elliot? And how does he get to school? Let's write this sentence together. Everyone grab your pencil on the Elliot side, and let's go to the first line. Where is Elliot living? In the what? If you don't remember, you can check on the slide in front. I added it here. Elliot in the USA, the United States of America. That's how we'll begin our sentence. Where is Elliot? In the USA. Everybody grab your pencil. We need a capital letter to begin. Capital letter I, in. I'm looking right here at this word, in the. Look and write with me, but capital I to begin the sentence. In, space, the, T-H-E, that's a sight word. In the USA, all capital letters because it is an abbreviation of our country. In the USA, who's there in this story? Elliot or Kailash? Check your journal. Elliot. In the USA, Elliot. We give him a capital letter because that is his name. In the USA, Elliot. How does he get to school? Check your picture. Check the slide. Elliot rides what? The bus. In the USA, Elliot, finger space, rides I want to detail. What color is that bus Elliot rides? I told you. Yellow! In the USA, Elliot rides the yellow bus. Yellow. Finger space. Bus. Where's he going? To school. To. School. To school. Period. Let's read what we have so far. In the USA, Elliot rides the yellow bus to school. Period. We've got one sentence done. We still need color to show that yellow bus, but you have one more sentence to write. Take a look at Kailash. Think first of where is Kailash in this story. Oh, here's a note to help you. Kailash in India. You'll need to begin your sentence like we did on the other side. In India, Kailash does what to get to school? You'll write your sentence. Check here to spell India correctly. Tell me, how does Kailash get to school? How is it different from Elliot? When your sentence is done, check for a capital letter and a period at the end like we did here for Elliot. And then I need colorful details on these photos. Take your time, add colors, come back and look at this slide for all of these beautiful details. When you're proud of your work, your journal is complete, you've checked it very well, take a photo, and send it to me on Google Classroom. I can't wait to see you at recess to tell you namaste, my friends. Great work. Hasta luego.